Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find latitude and longitude in Google Maps. Go to the Google Maps menu. Make sure your internet connection and location services are turned on for accurate results. You'll see the main map screen where you can search for places, get directions, or explore nearby locations. Now zoom in on the map and navigate to the location where you want to find the coordinates. You can search for a place using the search bar at the top or manually move around the map until you find your desired spot. Once you've found the location, long press on that point on the map. After holding for a second, a red pin will appear. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a small information panel. Swipe up on that panel to expand it and view more details. There you will see the latitude and longitude coordinates displayed in numeric format. Tap on the coordinates to copy them to your clipboard. You can now paste them into notes, messages, or any other app. Oh, if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials.